How to unhide messages on Pinterest. Hey everybody, welcome back to the video. Let's just jump right into it. So if you're trying to unhide messages on Pinterest, first thing you have to do is make sure that you are logged into your Pinterest app. Then tap on the profile icon that you see at the bottom right corner. Once landed on the profile page, just find your profile picture at the top left or somewhere around top right depending on the phone you have. Then you will get to your profile settings right here. Once you land on the profile settings page, you will see something called social permissions. You're going to have to tap on it. And then right inside here at the top, you'll see settings for your messages. Tap on message settings and you're going to have to set some things right here. So if you want your friends' messages to be directly on inbox, just set this to the first option. As well as same for the followers, make sure that you set this to inbox, and then following as well, make sure to set this to inbox. And then everyone else, you can make sure that it's not set to don't delivered. You just need to make sure it's set on request. Now what this does is if anyone texts you or messages you on Pinterest, they will be shown right here on the inbox section and the messages won't be hidden anymore. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful and I'll see you on the next one.